Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Earth animation editing using CapCut and Google Earth application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you have to install the Google Earth application and the CapCut. And after you have installed both of the application, you can go to your Google Earth and then you're going to do screen recording of this Google Earth. And before you search for a place, you have to make sure that the earth position is like this, and don't forget to activate your screen recording. And then you're going to go to the search menu right here and search for a place. I'm just going to search for this place. Okay, this beach. I'm going to search for it. Okay, and after that, we're going to record this Google Earth. And after that, you're going to go to your CapCut. And then you have to create new project on CapCut. And I have just created a project guys, and I'm going to add my video, my Google Earth video to this project. I'm going to use my previous Google Earth video. I'm going to add this one. Wait. Okay. And I'm just going to cut the video. Okay, I'm going to use this part only. And I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay. And as you can see, I have added my video to my CapCut project. And after that, I'm going to add transition. Tap on the transition and I'm going to choose, okay, I'm going to select this pull out transition. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make Google Earth editing animation with CapCut and Google Earth. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.